Hello, today I'm going to discuss and demonstrate this scheduling. Ang napili kong algorithm ay first come first serve. Ang first come first serve ay in this algorithm, requests for this access made by processes are served on first come first serve basis. And, and now magpapakita ko din sa inyo paano mag-compute sa this scheduling gamit ang first come first serve. So now mag-start tayo sa 70. Yan. And then, yeah, let's go here. 70. Then, kung, nandun na nga din sa ninyo niya, na first come first serve. So, ano yung mauna dito? For example, ito nga, it's 118. Siya yung mauuna na iyaan niya. So, pupunta to 118. For example, this one. So, 118. Let's go here. Mamaya natin na ang ginanumber. So, i-connect natin. Then, next ay 59. So, 59 here. Let's say, dito. Medyo hirap. Yan. And then, ang next ay pataas ulit. So, 110 here. Let's see. Yeah, yeah 110. So, ang next naman ay 25. Pababa ulit. So, here. Don't know if pantay pa. And next naman ay pataas ulit. 105. So, here, baba. Medyo baba ng 110. Medyo crooked lang talaga. Then, no, it's crooked. So, 63. Next natin. So, dito. Medyo, hindi pa. And then, pataas ulit. 100. So, medyo baba lang ni 110. Angat. Then, 26. So, 28. Rather. 28. Yan. Let's say dyan ng 28. So, ang graph ay ganito. Yan. Ganyan mismo ang itsura niya. So, lagyan na natin. So, 70 ito. That's 70. Tapos ito ay 118. So, ito next naman natin ay 59. 59. Then next ay 110. 110. Then 25. 25. It's 105. Then 63. 63. Then 100. 100. And then 28. And 80. That's all. 80. Yan. And now, after naman nito, after natin makuha, kukunin natin yung yung track nito. Like this one, ito. From track 70 to track 18. Yan. So, natin yan. Iba-minus lang natin ito. Yung from track 70 to track 118. Yung 70 ma-minus mo, yung nauna, yung from track, ayun. Ma-minus mo lang. I don't know. Basta i-minus mo siya. So, for example, this one. 118 minus 70. So, meron tayong 48 tracks. Yan. And then next naman ay yan. Yan. Ipag-minus mo lang talaga lahat. So, sagutan naman natin. 49, 59. Next naman ay 51. Yan. 110 minus 25. 85. And then, next naman ay 80. Yeah. 80, 42, 37, 37. And then, 27, 72 talaga. So, 72, and then 50. Yeah. After naman na, lahat yan ipagpa-plus mo. Yeah, para makuha mo yung total of tracks, parang overall. So, meron tayo ditong 48 plus, ay, no, my bad. 48 plus 59, 59, yeah, sabay plus 51, then 85, hold on, 85, then 80, and 52, ay 42, then 37, then 72, then yan, the last one, 52. Oh, i-check natin yan if ayun ba talaga. And then equals mo, so we have 560 tracks. Yan. And that's it. Ang advantage naman, and i-discuss ko na din yung advantage ng first come first serve. The advantage of first come first serve algorithm is its simplicity since requests are served in the order that they come in. Ayun yung sinasabi ko kanina. And the disadvantage naman, it is relatively poor performance in terms of minimizing the head of movement. Yeah. And that's it. Ayun yung napili ko. 1%. And thank you.